Hello and welcome back to another lovely episode of Dearest Way. Today on Dearest Way, wait, before I get started, go ahead and subscribe. Why did I miss that? I've been away too long. Anyway, so today on Dearest Way, I will be making tabbouleh. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, my bad. But anyway, I will be making tabbouleh. Also, I feel like my hair is all over the place. That's because it probably is, and I'm not gonna do anything to fix it. I don't care, because this is blazing hot. Anyway, so let's get back to what we're doing today. Okay, today I'm making tabbouleh. I'm making this because I went to this, I don't know if it's a Greek restaurant or somewhere else. I don't know if this is a Greek dish or not, but it was really good. And I had it at a restaurant. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this when I get home because it's so simple and easy. I'm gonna make it my way. The ingredients cost for other things, but I was just like, honey, I'm gonna work with what I got, okay? I can't be buying all this other stuff, okay? All right, so let me show y'all what I will be using today. So I put together this nice platter of what I'm using in my tabbouleh. All right, so you see you have your tomatoes right there, and then I could lean this forward, but everything gonna drop, and I ain't trying to do that. Anyway, you got your tomatoes, you got your cucumber right here, and then this right here, this is the parsley, and then you have your onions, your green onions, scallions, whatever you wanna call them. Okay, so this is the base of it because it's basically a salad that you're making. All right, okay, next, so the ingredients cost for like lemon juice, olive oil, and all the other stuff. But I was just like, honey, I gotta need some Italian dressing and we gonna make it work, okay? That's what we gonna do. So you need some Italian dressing if you gonna make it my way. All right, next up, we have garlic, some minced garlic. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of this in there because I like garlic and garlic is good for you. So you got your garlic. Lastly, you have your feta cheese. I decided to add this because I feel like, hey, why not? You know, you put cheese in salad anyway sometimes. So yeah, here it is. So of course, like I said, you got your tomatoes, your parsley, your green onions, aka scallions, whatever, your garlic, your Italian dressing, and your feta cheese. And this is really simple and easy. All we gonna do is chop this up, mix it up in a bowl, and bam, you got your salad, okay? If you wanna add other stuff to it, you know, in the end, you can, but we gonna make it my way, all right? All right, so come on over to this cutting board, and I'm gonna show y'all how I make this tabbouleh salad. I really hope I said that right. I really hope I did. Also, it is blazing hot here, child. I can't have this air conditioner on when I'm doing this because it's loud. But anyway, come on, let's go to the cutting board. know about this cucumber. I mean, I don't know. Like I shaved it, whatever. Use this for it. But I don't know, it just looks, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up and then add it to the bowl. Okay, so here's our lovely cucumber. God, I had to cut this off camera, it was getting a little messy. But anyway, here's what we have already. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the cucumber to the bowl. Add it on up in there. It looked like a lot. All right, last thing we gotta do is our onions. So that's how that looks now. And then we gotta go ahead and cut up our onions. Just like that, we are done cutting up our onions. So let's move this to the side for a second. Move it up there. Get our handy dandy bowl that we've been working with. Let me zoom out. Just a little bit. All right, and then we're just gonna put these onions in there. Have a little piece hanging around. All right, I'm gonna add some of the light onions, and then I'm gonna add some of the dark ones. So just get like a good little mixture. Add it on up in there. And you don't gotta put all your onions in there, of course, because you don't want it to be, you know, overloaded, or the flavor to be, you know, what am I saying? I don't know. You know what, I'm overpowering with like onions. All right, that's enough. And then just save your other onions, freeze them, put them in the refrigerator, do what you want with them. Okay, so we have our salad base. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put this garlic up in there. Let me go ahead and get a spoon. Rumble through the drawer. Ooh. All right, so with the garlic, I'm not gonna put that much in there. I'm just gonna do like I'm just gonna do like a teaspoon. That much. That's it. The other recipe calls for, I think it's called bulgur wheat. I don't know how to say it, but something to that extent. Bulgur wheat, I don't know. Don't ask me. All right, so got everything in the bowl, and of course I said original recipe calls for olive oil, lemon juice, all that. I have that. I'm not using it because I have this. So I'm like, you know what? This got oil in it. It's acidic, whatever. And I'm making it my way. And plus you put this on salad anyway. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. Not too much, because like I said, you don't want to overpower it. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. I need a spoon. Actually, I'm gonna use the big spoon to do this with. I was just gonna use like the regular small spoon, but I'm just gonna use my spoon and get started. Just like that, we are done. Oops, I forgot. Didn't I say something about feta cheese? I did. Let's add this up in there. Ooh, I can open it. Now, Of course, in other recipes, it's sliced a little finer than what I've done. But honey, I don't got no food processor. I don't have all that extra stuff. I do got a blender, but I don't want it to be blended. So, no. All right, we are gonna do the feta. Why am I even talking like that? Just a little bit, not a lot. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And yeah, I think that works for me. That works for me. All right. Now, there it is. There it is. Let me get rid of these onions. Why do I just have them on the counter like that? All right, so here is our salad, our salad. I would go ahead and like plate it and do all that extra stuff, but honey, it's going right in the refrigerator. So ain't no point of wasting no dishes, but I will taste it. I will taste it. It looks really good. Looks really good. Looks really healthy. All right. So let's go ahead and taste it. All right, y'all, we are done. We are finished. We are complete. Yes, those 3 words mean the same thing, but I do not care. Okay, so we are done. And like I said, I didn't plate it because it's going right in the refrigerator. And like I said, I'm not wasting no dishes. Okay, so here it is. Here's the tabbouleh. It's not really chopped fine and all of that. It's still gonna go down the same way. You still can chew it. You can do the same thing you do with other food. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it. I'm going to taste it. I'm gonna get a cucumber. I'm gonna get a tomato. I'm gonna get some cheese. Bam, look at all of that. It just wound it up on my spoon. It's my happy dinner, but it tastes good. Now, tastes like salad, of course. The Italian dressing that I put in here, I didn't put too much because I still wanted to taste the salad. So I'm like, you know, yeah, it tastes good. It tastes really good. And I feel like you can just add this to anything. Like you can put this in like some pita bread and meat if you want, or you can just eat it by itself, or some chips. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna eat it by itself because sometimes I don't feel like being extra, like adding all that stuff. I be like, ooh, food, I like stuff prepared already, you know, sometimes. Okay, anyway, so this is the tabbouleh that I've made. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the refrigerator and then save it for my lunch this week. All right, and then I'm gonna turn on this air conditioner after I get off of here because it is hot in here. It's really hot. All right, thank you again for joining me on Dear's Way, where we make food our way, how we want to present the food, how we want to make the food. I forgot what I be saying sometimes because I haven't been on here in a while. I didn't even say that in the beginning. No, I didn't. Honey, I'm all off. I'm all out of whack, but I'm back. All right, thank you again for joining me on Dear's Way, where I make food my way, how I want to make the food, how I want to present the food, how I want to eat the food, okay? All right, so like I said before, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yes, because we need to boost our numbers up, y'all. All right, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.